All right, guys, 2009 G8, fully cammed, long tube headers, fully straight pipe. As you guys can see, look at that. Long tube headers, there and there. Then it's got an X pipe right there. Then 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. And then they got this contraption of a J pipe for drone there and there. And what we did is added 2 tips to it, to the back, there and there. There'll be a link in the description for it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. He just turned it on. It's got a nice idle of 85, 88. Much better. I don't know what we do when we give it that touch, you know? Do it again. Again. Your sound decibels. It hit 121 earlier. Again. 121. Sounds really nice. Sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. That's why, because each car has just, you got to get the right ones. Yeah. Pontiac G8 with a cam and long tube headers, fully straight pipe.